and today we are going to make Halloween peanut butter spider cookies. The ingredients you'll need is some chocolate chips, Reese's peanut butter cups. You'll need some vegetable oil, 1 egg, and peanut butter cookie mix. You can do it from scratch, but we're not going to do it from scratch. You'll need 3 tablespoons of water, a pan, and a bowl. And you can have googly eyes, or like little eyes for it too, but we kind of forgot to do that. Oh yeah, preheat the oven 350. So take your mix and open it somehow. We eventually got that open in 2 seconds. Don't forget to do all of it. Add the 1 egg. I'm dirty now. Add the 3 tablespoons of water. 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Put it in there. Okay. And now here's the fun part. We get to mix.
Other way. The other way.
Okay, so I didn't say this, but until it's doughy, or at least looks doughy, you're gonna take the dough and then you're gonna put it into a little balls, not little, but 2 inches apart.
Go ahead.
I'm going to do 12.
This is also the fun part. You can do more than that. There you go. Roll it in the ball. Roll it. Yeah, roll it. You know how to roll it?
Yeah.
Might be a little too big, so take part of it off.
Huh?
Put a little bit more off.
There, that's a good size. Into a perfect ball and put it down in the pan. Do another one. Perfect, okay. You'll get the hang of it. Okay, I'm gonna do 1 more. Make a good one. Your battery's about to die anyway.
Put it in the oven for 12 minutes. Oh, this one's blow off. Okay. It's hot. While you're waiting, you can open the Reese's peanut butter cups. Okay. Reward yourself. Here. So we have our chocolate chips. Put like about half of the bag in a bowl to melt them in the microwave. Next. Let the cookies cool off. Use a spatula and get on wax paper or parchment paper. And smoosh it.
Do it fast. Fast. Fast to scoop it, fast to release. It's all on the wrist. There you go. They're really soft now, but they'll harden. Can we do the rest?
No, it's fine. Yes, do this one. Put the Reese's peanut cups, unwrap them, and then put them on the plate.
Ooh, did you fart too?
Hey, Daddy!
Or is that me from earlier?
Yes, you!
That's me from earlier?
Yeah.
It still smells? Oh boy, I'm sorry.
Daddy, do you want to put that in the video?
Don't do it.
Okay. It's taking so long.
Because I'm filming you. No pressure.
Happy birthday to Cookies. Okay, where's your arm? Very gently place them upside down on the cookies. Put the beautiful chocolate chips in the microwave for 2 minutes. Next batch of cookies. Put them in longer. About 15. I think you should actually put it in for 1 minute. There's kind of smoke everywhere at the end. So yeah, and then get a Ziploc bag if you don't have a squeezy thingamajig. A pipe bag thingy.
And scoop up the chocolate in there.
And scoop the chocolate. Very, very carefully. There we go. Over and over and over. Once you're done melting them, and having smoke everywhere for us, cut a very, very small corner of it for legs. Remember to do it. So what we did wrong last time, it kind of came out like this and that. So don't do that. Okay, this makes it look way better. Okay, now don't do this, do that. So sorry about the whole thing. Next thing we are gonna do is get the legs. You can add the eyes to it, but we forgot to get that apparently. Okay, we're gonna taste them now. I choose. Well, there's plenty more over there, but I choose. They're good and messy. Well, thanks for watching. Goodbye.
Okay, why does it keep doing?